Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you how to fix errors display on browser such as Edge or Chrome. As you can see in Edge browser, when I click here, this pop-up display, but we cannot see anything. I don't know why have this errors, but it happened in Windows 11. Same with Edge in Chrome. We also have this. As you can see, cannot see anything. So now I will show you how to fix it. In the Edge browser, you go to setting. Next step, you go to system and performance. In here, you turn off your hardware celebration when available and restart browser. After restart browser, now we can see the table display when we click. Same with X. We go to setting in Chrome, go to expand it, and system. In here, you also turn off your hardware celebration when available and relaunch. Okay. Now we can see display when we click setup. Okay, this errors are easy to fix. Okay, I will show you how to fix errors display in browser Edge and Chrome. If issue happen same in Firefox, you also fix like this. Okay, if you see my video and this support is full for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.